Welcome to another Tech Tuesday. Tech Tuesdays are brought to you by NMDelt, a project of Propel. Thank you, Propel. Today we explore Padlet as a replacement for Google's Jamboard. Padlet can be free, but you can only use 3 at a time. Once you have 3 Padlets in use, you can't do anything more with Padlet, so you either use your Padlets carefully or you pony up for the program. If you like Padlet and want to use it as a teaching platform, it might be worth the cost. I am not going to tell you how to run your classroom, and I'm not going to tell you how to spend your money. I will encourage you to try Padlet and see if it works for you. Instead of calling their pre-made features templates, Padlet calls them recipes. I like this rhetorical move because template sounds so cold, and recipes often have chocolate in them. So sweet. Well, you may not love chocolate, but one thing we can probably all agree on is that Padlet's do-it-yourself education options are awesome. If you want to make something happen, odds are there is a Padlet video for that. The brainstorming board seems the closest option to the Jamboard, but hey, check it out yourself and let me know. And ta-da! There are tons of step-by-step directions, so even the least technically savvy of us, me, can design an effective collaboration. Notice you can also use AI to mix it up if you're having one of those days. Or if you're curious, there is no harm in trying it out. There are a billion ways to connect to your Padlet. You can use email, social media, or slap it in Google Classroom as part of the lesson. I personally love Google Classroom. Thank you, Google, for being compatible. After your lesson or discussion, you can save yourself a copy of the discussion for future reference or to build on for the next lesson. Not that your students would ever be uncouth, but you do have safeguards that allow you to check on posts before they go public. And you can limit what each participant can do. Nice, Padlet. Nice. One of the fun things about the brainstorming board is that participants can use all kinds of features to answer questions, and combinations of those features like drawing, adding videos, adding pictures, and adding a whole lot of heart. Right? Look at the freedom of expression. Observe the variety of composition. Your students might, just might, have too much fun learning. So, you may be thinking, why should I try out Padlet? Well, there are a billion entertaining videos to help guide your creative compositions. There are tons of free features, and learners can access the designs without making accounts. There are also multiple ways to communicate creatively. Creatively? That was a creative way of saying creatively. It's not too shabby, but you may rightly wonder, what could possibly go wrong? Well, you're only allowed 3 Padlets. There might be too many features, and it does require a couple of hours of learning before truly wielding the platform with power. You also have to download the app or use it in a browser. Remember to be honest with yourself. We know you don't have a lot of free time, so think about it. Why do you want to use this tool? How can it enhance your practice? What's the learning curve for you, your learners, and your staff? Is the tool more beneficial than what you were previously using? And just a reminder that Tech Tuesday is made possible by Propel and these unicorns. Thank you, Team NMDelt. And most importantly, thank you for being uniquely you. Keep it up, and we will see you next week.